Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: WordPress admin access, a Onesignal account, and either plugin installation or SDK files ready. First, log into Onesignal and create a new app to generate the app ID and REST API key. You'll need them immediately. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard and install the Onesignal push plugin or upload SDK files if using a custom theme. Once done, open the plugin settings page so you can paste app ID and API key in the next step. Now you'll configure integration details step by step so notifications reach users reliably. Paste the app ID and REST API key into the Onesignal WordPress settings, then enter your site URL exactly as served, HTTP or HTTPS matters. Upload a 192x192 default icon and enable welcome notifications if desired. Make sure service worker files are placed in your site route or configured path, and choose the correct web push protocol. Finish by validating everything works and knowing what to do if it doesn't. Send a test notification from the Onesignal dashboard and confirm delivery on both desktop and mobile. Check multiple browsers. If subscribers don't register, inspect the browser console for service worker or mixed content errors. SSL and correct service worker path are common culprits. Make sure caching or security plugins aren't blocking scripts. If problems persist, view Onesignal logs and enable WordPress debug to pinpoint and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.